Radiation lettuce, also known as nuclear greens, is a unique and controversial crop that has gained popularity in recent years. Despite its ominous name, radiation lettuce is not actually radioactive itself. Instead, it is a type of lettuce that has been genetically modified to thrive in high radiation environments. The idea of growing crops in radioactive soil may sound like something out of a science fiction novel. But the reality is that radiation lettuce has the potential to revolutionize agriculture in areas that have been contaminated by nuclear accidents or weapons testing. By using genetic engineering techniques, scientists have been able to create a strain of lettuce that is not only resistant to high levels of radiation, but actually benefits from it. So how exactly does radiation lettuce work? The key lies in its ability to repair DNA damage caused by radiation exposure. When normal plants are exposed to high levels of radiation, their DNA becomes damaged, leading to mutations and eventually death. Radiation lettuce, on the other hand, has been engineered to produce proteins that can repair this damage, allowing it to continue growing and thriving in radioactive environments. But why would anyone want to grow lettuce in a radioactive environment in the first place? The answer lies in the potential benefits of radiation lettuce. In areas that have been contaminated by nuclear accidents or weapons testing, traditional crops often struggle to grow due to the high levels of radiation in the soil. This can lead to food shortages and economic hardship for the people living in these areas. By planting radiation lettuce in these contaminated soils, farmers can not only produce a crop that is able to thrive in these conditions, but also help to clean up the environment. Radiation lettuce has the ability to absorb and concentrate radioactive isotopes from the soil, effectively decontaminating the land over time. This process, known as phytoremediation, has the potential to transform radioactive wastelands into fertile farmland once again. Of course, there are concerns about the safety of consuming radiation lettuce. While the lettuce itself is not radioactive, there is still the potential for it to accumulate harmful levels of radioactive isotopes from the soil. To address this issue, scientists have developed strict guidelines for growing and harvesting radiation lettuce, including regular testing for radioactive contamination and strict limits on the levels of isotopes that are considered safe for consumption. In addition to its potential benefits for contaminated areas, radiation lettuce also has the potential to revolutionize agriculture in other ways. By studying the genetic mechanisms that allow radiation lettuce to thrive in high radiation environments, scientists hope to develop new varieties of crops that are more resilient to environmental stresses such as drought, heat, and pests. This could help to address the challenges of climate change and food security that are facing the world today. In conclusion, radiation lettuce is a fascinating and potentially game-changing crop that has the potential to revolutionize agriculture in contaminated areas and beyond. By harnessing the power of genetic engineering, scientists have created a crop that is able to thrive in high radiation environments and help to clean up contaminated soils. While there are still concerns about the safety of consuming radiation lettuce, strict guidelines and testing protocols are in place to ensure that it is safe for consumption. With further research and development, radiation lettuce has the potential to transform agriculture and help to address some of the most pressing challenges facing the world today.